Hey guys, today I'm about to show you how to download Minecraft Java Edition full version for free in Windows. So first open Google Chrome and go for the website. I will give the link in the description, and you will open up this page here, and click on Get Minecraft. There will be a 5 second ad. Just skip it. There will be 5 second timer. 3, 2, 1. Just skip ad. Then you just need to skip the ad and you will be on your destination page. From here you have to download the file. Click on the download button and just choose your account, Google Drive account, and hit continue. Then you will see that the Minecraft Java edition is downloaded. Open show in folder. There you go. There is a zip file. Open it and extract to the desktop. Okay. So I already have the file, so it's right here. Just open the Java edition and start the Minecraft launcher. It will look like this, and you just need to do next. I have already downloaded. I have already downloaded the setup and the launcher already. Here is the launcher. So now it will show an email and password page. Now do not enter your email, regular email or anything, and don't even try to like log in the official website. Go to Google and go to another website which will also whose link will also be given in the description, and go to this website. This website, it will be in the description. MC account, Minecraft account. Click on get MC account now. Then there will be a captcha. I'm not a robot. That account. So here is one account. You just need to copy the ALT token, or you can wait for another account. I will just copy it, and you don't have to do anything now. Like now you have to download the authenticator. It is very compulsory to download it. Download it for Windows and install it. I have already downloaded it. It's here. Here the authenticator. Just make sure that on the authenticator you need to select NC Leaks before doing anything with the launcher. Select NC Leaks and then go to launcher. In the place of email, just paste that token, and in the password enter whatever you want. Like enter anything and hit login. Now it will load. There you go. I am now logged in and there is no play demo. It's the full version You can also see the screenshots I gave here. Here are the screenshots from the game. There is full game with multiplayer. So that is it, guys. Now you can get your Minecraft now. Thank you.